Friends, we got an absolutely incredible video for you today. Today in front of us is a great day. We have the newest Exter lineup. These are the new Ekster Cardholder Pros for MagSafe. This is their thinnest model yet, and you have additional add-ons that turn these wallets into beefier products for your precise needs. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this. First and foremost, right off the bat, I have two colors of these brand new wallets. Now, as we get started with the video, top link in the description box right below this video, as well as the pinned comment right below the video, is going to be a direct link with a coupon code for 10% off whatever Exter offers on their website, wallets, tech backpack, which I highly recommend. So no matter what they offer, even their viral vacuum travel bags, take a look at those. Anyway, 10% off whatever you want. These wallets or whatever they offer, it's all in the description box below the video, as well as the pin comment, but definitely watch the whole video first. As you can see here, we have the MagSafe ring, magnetic. We have a metal push button right here, and on the back is also going to be magnetic as well. These wallets have a lifetime warranty, and what makes Exter is the quick card access right here. You can literally just slap these bad boys in, and what I particularly do, if you've never seen one of my videos before, or Exter wallet in general, is after you eject the cards with the push button down here, what I like to do is I like to take my most used card, and I like to have that either in the front or in the back. Let me just put this one over here for privacy, because I actually do have my cards in here. And so what I do is, again, the most used card on the front or back for easy access, and then I use the cards right here, and then I just join it back in, slap it on down. You can, of course, take them all out, rummage through them if you want, if you have one in the middle, but I just find it a little bit more convenient to put my most used card on the front or back. Now, this particular wallet does hold 1 to 7 cards in the actual slot, and then if you have this add-on, which we're going to get to in just a second, that gives you 1 through 14 cards with the add-on. And what is an add-on? It is a magnetic attachment for the MagSafe compatible wallet, which gives you more access to more cards if you need that. Let's go ahead and take a look at this a little bit closer for your add-on. We also have the money clip add-on, so definitely watch this whole video. But ladies and gentlemen, before we do, let's go ahead and take a look at this color, this precise one. This is the product packaging. It's new. They've done a great job with dialing it in. You got your little brochure right here. This is the silver color right here, which you can see in the sunlight. Very, very beautiful. Same exact wallet, just in the silver color. And this is the ultramarine color, the blue one here. So beautiful, beautiful colors, as well as a very subtle Exter logo in the bottom right corner. Besides that, there is no other logos on it. Very sleek, very beautiful as well. Alrighty, here is the magnetic add-on for this wallet. Very slight Exter logo right here. Now this one is just kind of a little like this, kind of a little pull out, very simple, just like this here. Now, it is magnetized, of course, so you use the flat back right here. Go ahead and slap that on right there, and it won't go this direction. You want to do it that direction right there, and then you have your card access right through here for your thumb to be able to push that up right there. Let me show you. So you have your expansion area there. That slides down. That will thicken that up a little bit, but if you need those extra cards in there, that's a great way to do it right there. And then you have your push-up button right here to grab your cards out. Same thing. 1, 2, pull them all out if you really want to, but this is just kind of a manual expansion plate. As you can see there, as you pull it out, pushing it back in, but you do have your access right there. Real simple to get rid of that. Pull that off if you want, put that down, put these back in here like this, and then you're ready to go with just this wallet if you just need a few cards. This is an add-on product for it, but again, if you want 10% off of everything you order, take a look at this as well. And if you just needed to use this as a standalone, you definitely can as well. All right, now let's look at the cash band right here. This is always my favorite part. Let's go ahead and remove that, pull this guy on out, and take a look-see here. So this, again, is going to be a nice beefy magnet right there with your cash band. Super simple, super plain Jane, but does the function just nicely. Let's go ahead and slap that on here like this. Now, let me go get my cash and we'll put that on there. Now that will add, that's a really nice beefy magnet as well. You might even have to slide it off to get that off. Now this will add some weight to it. This is not light by any means. It's not super heavy, but it definitely feels great quality as well. That's why that magnetic area on the back is so nice, but that will add a little bit of weight to your wallet compared to this. And this is heavier than this if you are wondering. But they make it like that because obviously you could even use that as a little belt clip if you really wanted to, if you didn't have any cash. Leave that up to you. This right here as well, not moving on you. Again, you can slide that off, and I would use your thumb on this side here, as you can see, and then pop that on the back like this here. All right, and I would just fold it up in thirds, fourths, whatever you call it. Slip that in just like that there. That's not going anywhere on you. And that is just two $20 bills, but obviously that folds up for much more. If you really want to get a nice stack in there, I'll leave that up to you. But again, a nice accessory, but just remember that will add some more weight to your wallet. And that again is an add-on accessory for your wallet. Now, most people obviously use MagSafe not only for the add-ons, but of course also for the back of the cell phone. Now, I have a flip phone. This is the Flip 5 by Samsung, and you will need a magnetic ring. Most of you guys already have it on your Apple phones, underneath your case, etc. Now in this particular circumstance, I would actually normally like to have it like right in the middle if it was like, you know, a non-foldable phone, but you make do. So let me go ahead and show you here. So go ahead and latch that on just like that. That's not going anywhere on you. And you have now your wallet on the back of your phone, just like that there. Now again, with the Flip 5, it's just a little bit funkier than your other type of phones, especially where that magnetic ring needs to be. But you guys with your Apple phones that are non-flippable, obviously you would be a lot better in that regards. But still, obviously it does work just fine. Flipping out your cards just like that on the back of your phone, slapping them on in, pulling it off if you need to, lay your phone down, lay your wallet down, have yourself a little stew, and enjoy. Now, something that this particular wallet has that the other cardholder pros don't, this might be the newest design to their wallets, is if you can see these like little red maroon kind of little bumper stoppers right here. What that does is that just gives you a little bit more of a sleeker, tighter fill to your wallet when it goes inside. And it's very subtle, but it's a very nice upgraded feature. Let me show you on my orange color. See, my orange color does not have those. And it works the same. It just, I think that's just the newest design to it, where it just has a little bit more of a tighter fill to it, and I like what I'm seeing. Overall, the Ekster wallets are absolutely incredible wallets. I've used this one for several days, but this is the one that I previously had, and it does the same exact thing, but it is just obviously not MagSafe compatible with any of the add-ons, etc. But this is the Cardholder Pro. If you're interested in that, has the cash band, has the RFID blocking technology, has the expansion plate, has the upgraded metal push button. This again is the Cardholder Pro in the orange color. And don't forget, Exter does have GPS tracker cards, so you never will lose your wallet, and it will be GPS enabled for tracking. I don't have it with me right now. I am currently traveling, but great options. Once again, this is the Cardholder Pro for MagSafe. This is the Cardholder Pro, and also check out their Wallet Pro, which is the leather version. They have many different options. Once again, no matter what you order on their website, 10% off. Use the direct link in the description box as well as the pinned comment, but make sure you use that coupon code. Grab your 10% off. You're gonna love them as much as I do. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech related videos, DIY projects, and more. My name is Chris, and I will see you on the next video. Once again, your links are in the description box and pinned comment. We'll see you on the next one.